Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Pakistan School Maskati Learning, and we are learning from our book Amazing Science Grade 4, and I am your teacher Miss Nida Irtaza. Virtual classroom rules. Students find a quiet place free of distractions, TV, parents, toys, pets, siblings, etc. Show up in time for class and wait to be admitted into it if needed. Be respectful at all time when your video is on. No inappropriate language or no hand gestures. Stay on mute. Click the raise hand button if you have a question or something to share. Stay on task and focus so you don't miss anything the speaker says. You're about to review unit number 11, Force in Machine, in which we review about force, speed and its formula. Force can change the shapes of objects, simple machines, kinds of simple machines, and then today's work is about question answer. That is question number 1. Answer the following questions. Let's get started, students. Force. Students, what is force? Force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force upon each of the objects. So, force causes things to move. Speed. Speed tells us how fast a thing is moving. Is an example. For example, a truck travels at a speed of 100 km per hour. How far will it travel in 4 hours? We need one formula, so we can say that distance travel is equals to speed multiplied by time. So we know that d is equals to s multiplied by t, where s represents the speed and t is equals to time. So d is equals to here 100 is speed of sound, speed of a car truck, that is 100 kilometer per hour, and 4 is time, is also in hours. So just multiply and find out how far travel, that is 400 kilometers. So distance is equals to 400 kilometer. Force can change the shapes of an object. Student, when you stretch a rubber band, what do you see? The rubber band becomes longer. This is because you're exerting force on the rubber band. You are stretching it. When you squeeze a piece of plasticine, what happens to it? The plasticine loses its shape. It is compressed by the force of your hand. If you squeeze a piece of sponge, what happens? Does the shape of the sponge change? Stop squeezing the sponge. What happens? That is its shape. From the above example, we can see that force can change the shape of an object. Observe all the things around you and check how many things can change the shape by exerting of your force of hand or leg. What is simple machines? A simple machine helps to find that helps to make your work easier. Okay, you can find it all around you. It can turn the force of your hand into a form of movement that helps you to do work. You can find in the kitchen a knife as a simple machine, a lid opener or bottle opener, inclined plane, scissors, wedges, wheelbarrow, levers, wheel and axle. These are the examples of simple machines all around you. Kinds of simple machines. These two machines which is given in your book as well, that is lever and pulley. So read the lesson and find out The interesting thing in the last video I share that is all about the pulley and lever. So watch that video to understand more about if you have any confusion regarding lever and pulley. We are on unit number 11. Today's work is about question answer. Question number 1, answer the following questions. The first question is, what is force? As we discussed in this slide as well, that force is a push or pull. List some of the things force can do. Force can make objects move faster or slower or stop and can change shape. Which force causes objects to fall to the ground when they are thrown up in the air? The force of gravity causes objects to fall to the ground. Names of some machines that we use at home, in the office, or on the road. At home, we are using mixer and juicer. In office, we are using laptops, stapler, computer. On the road, we are using bicycle, car, truck. Now the last question is, what do machines need in order to work? A machine needs energy to do work. That will be all to today's student. Learn all the question answer. Have a very nice and blessed day, student. Don't forget to wash your hands. Allah Hafiz.